The Roborock Q5 DuoRoller Plus robot vacuum offers an impressive self-emptying feature, allowing for hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks, which significantly reduces the need for manual intervention. With a powerful suction capability of 5,500 Pascal, the vacuum efficiently captures dust and debris across various flooring types, making it ideal for homes with diverse surfaces. Its advanced PreciSense LiDAR Navigation System ensures accurate and efficient cleaning by creating detailed three-dimensional maps, adapting seamlessly to different home environments. The vacuum's substantial dustbin capacity and extensive runtime of up to 240 minutes make it suitable for large areas, ensuring comprehensive cleaning in one go. The integration of voice and app control, with compatibility for Alexa, Apple Siri, and Google Home, offers a modern and convenient approach to managing cleaning tasks effortlessly. Designed to tackle pet hair and reduce tangling, the DuoRoller brush works in tandem with the powerful suction to deliver thorough cleaning, making it perfect for pet owners.